Meet the icon of the seas. This $2 billion floating resort is the world's largest cruise ship. And it is 5 times the size of the Titanic. In today's video, we are going to check you into this luxurious floating abode. Spanning nearly 1,200 feet, with 20 decks, you can call this ship a city at sea. It can accommodate up to 7,600 passengers in 2,805 staterooms and nearly 10,000 people, including the crew. But guess what? This gigantic Royal Caribbean floating resort is fully booked until 2026. Yes, we have to wait our turn for this one. Not just for adults, but it's a dreamy wonderland for kids too, as the icon of the seas has the world's first onboard water park with 6 water slides and 7 swimming pools, with one being the largest on any ship. It has multiple theaters, a casino, and over 40 dining and drinking spots. Also, don't be fooled by its size. This giant is made to be eco-friendly. It's powered by liquefied natural gas, treats its own waste, and produces its own water. Now, isn't that awesome? A week-long trip could cost you anywhere between $3,500 to $100,000. Are you already planning your next trip? Also, with the cruise industry surging in popularity, do you think we will see a ship bigger than this one anytime soon? Share your thoughts with us.